Hello to our IIOE learners worldwide. It's a pleasure to join you today to introduce the International Institute of Online Education, IIOE, an initiative led by the International Center for Higher Education Innovation under the auspices of UNESCO to support universities worldwide with digital teaching and learning. In this short session, I will focus on a few key parts of the platform: how to register, access micro-certification courses, and explore opportunities through international partnerships and recognition. The primary step is registration. Getting started with IIOE is simple and free. First, please visit the official website via www.iioe.org. Second, click Login. If you are new to IIOE, you can click on Register Now on this page to complete your profile and confirm your email. Please note that if you cannot find your institution on the list, you may choose Other first and apply to become an institutional partner, which I will talk about in following steps. After this, you will then have full access to learning resources, AI tools, and training opportunities. The second part is about micro-certification learning. Once registered, head to the Learn section. This is the heart of IIOE's training offer. You'll find micro-certification courses, which are short, structured online courses designed for university faculty and professionals. These courses are self-paced and fully free of charge. Topics include digital teaching skills, emerging technologies, and instructional design. Upon completion, you will receive an official certificate, which are commonly co-issued by IIOE and its collaborating partners, such as enterprises and universities. These micro-certification courses are designed to support your professional development or institutional training goals. Now, let's take a quick look at some AI tools on the IIOE platform. Firstly, you can see DeepSeek IIOE on the right side, which is an intelligent chatbot for educational assistance we just launched in March 2025. Below the DSI is the ITA, Intelligent Teaching Assistance. This is a virtual assistant that helps personalize interaction with IIOE course materials. These tools are currently in open access during the first phase of integration. IIOE promotes expanded access of leading AI tools for developing countries for educational purposes. In future, we aim to integrate IIOE-specific course and knowledge resources into the platform AI database. Please feel free to take a trail and let us know your feedback. The next part is about partners and networks, which is crucial to IIOE development. IIOE is more than a platform. It's a global network of partner institutions from Asia, Africa, Latin America, and beyond. Click on National Center or Enterprises. You will see the logos of our partners who are conducting training programs on the IIOE platform. By joining as a partner, your university can co-develop training programs, share digital resources, and collaborate on international initiatives. All of the institutional pages can be customized and show specifically your targeted training programs that are transformed from the IIOE central resources. This is a great opportunity to build capacity through cross-border cooperation in higher education digitalization. Another important opportunity is the Higher Education Digitalization Pioneer Case Award. This award celebrates institutions that have implemented innovative digital practices in teaching and learning. Winning institutions will gain global visibility, a considerate amount of incentives, and join a group of recognized pioneers in digital education. Beyond the competition, it is a celebration of IIOE's partners, making progress in the field of education digital transformation. To continue with, let's check some other key features of IIOE, such as open educational resources, including MOOCs, themed course series, and teaching tools. Digital library, with research articles, case studies, and multimedia content. There is also a discussion forum, which you are welcome to join. This is a space to exchange best practices with peers worldwide. Last but not least, let's find out about how to join the IIOE network. If your institution is interested in becoming an official IIOE partner, the process is straightforward. First, visit the Join Us section on the IIOE website. Second, fill in this application form to submit your expression of interest. The IIOE Secretariat will follow up with collaboration options and a partnership agreement. Once accepted, you'll be added to the global map of partners, open your own institutional page, and gain access to co-contribution of educational resources. So this is the general introduction of the IIOE platform. To conclude, IIOE offers practical, free resources to strengthen your institution's digital teaching capacity. We therefore invite you to register on the platform, explore micro-certification courses, experience AI tools, and join the international network. Thank you very much, and I hope you will find IIOE a valuable resource in your professional development journey working in the higher education sector.